All right, the next task at hand is getting rid of some noises I've been hearing on the engine. Thought they were going to be the idler pulleys, but once I took the belt off here and started inspecting things, I think this might be causing some of the noise that's been rattling around there. The thing I think I'll do is take out those gay aftermarket fog lights. This car came with fog lights as it's a GT, but looks like he took them off. I might still have the old stock ones from the last car, but I'm not sure. But somebody decided to put the funkiest lights on this thing. At least the high and low beams work, but they're not aimed at all. And it seems like it has the HIDs, or whatever you want to call them, electronics for the fog and for the main beams, which is why these boxes are laying in here loose right here. One here and one over there, but then they have the regular bulbs for the high beams. But whoever put these in there, look at these brackets that hold them in. I mean, you think that does a good job? That's crappy. Must be some weird kit they found online or from some Ricer store for Mustangs. Headlights aren't really all that important to me right now because I don't drive it too much, but locally. But definitely want to fix up maybe some of this paint. I don't know what this guy used, but I have the feeling they changed the plastics. Take the bolt out of the clutch assembly here. That's not even supposed to come off in two pieces like that. So, yeah, it got worn down a little bit. That's like somebody driving on their brakes way past the point. Yep. And then on these, you got this little snap ring right there. I'm gonna take this snap ring. Oh, that's actually coming off pretty okay. I bet you that bearing is toast. Oh yeah, it's hard to turn. Man, good thing I didn't tear that up. There we go. Take the bolt put back in there, and what we're going to do is, I guess the specs for the air gap is 14 to 30 thousandths. So the 14 goes right in, so you got at least 14 thousandths, and then I'm going to put 14 and 16 together and make 30. That will not go in there, so should be in a little better shape than was with this one. I'm apart in a couple of this thing starts. It's a little bit of squeak left from a couple of the pulleys, but not like that main culprit on the bottom. Sounds so much better.